All right, so I recently got this in the mail with a, I'm showing you that it is BPA free. And this is a blender ball. I think that's what, or whisk, what do they call it? Okay, here is the thing for the blender bottle. It's by Keto Chow. Here is their website. And if you want to read that, you can pause the video. And okay, to use the blender ball whisk, drop it into the bottle, add your ingredients, and shake. It moves freely throughout the bottle, mixing even the thickest ingredients with ease. So let's hope that is true. I am going to try the mocha. It's an ultra low carb meal replacement. And this is, okay, here is what we pretty much read already. It says to use lukewarm water. Hot, of course, would be dangerous when you're putting the lid on there and shaking it up. And I guess cold maybe it wouldn't work as well, I'm guessing. Here is a basic rundown of calories per meal. So this is a meal replacement. So I think I will use, it's between coconut oil and cream, but I think I'm going to try it with coconut oil this time. So let's see what happens. Okay, so this is it with the ball and with the coconut oil, which I didn't measure. I imagine it's between 2 and 3 tablespoons. And the Keto Chow mocha flavored put in there. And here is the back of the pack. Good enough. I can't see that, but if you're on a computer, maybe you can read that. My question was, when I see Keto Chow, so I'm thinking it's going to have fat in it, and obviously it doesn't. And so I don't think I'm going to buy it again, because that was like my main idea, was buying it for fat content. And I already have enough other things. I don't think I need something like this. This is another thing I'm using, which I do like. And it does have fat in it. Let's see if I can find everything. So the MCT oil powder. So I got this online. I don't know, is there a... Oh, it does. Okay, hvmn.com. If you're interested in checking this out. Getting back to the Keto Chow. So those are 2 different companies. Let's add some lukewarm water, and then I will put this lid on it and shake it up and then show you what it looks like. Okay, so there it is with the water poured in, and I also put some decaf coffee on top. Now I'm going to try to shake it up and see what happens. It's a little hard to hold the phone and shake this at the same time. I think I'm somewhat doing that. Yeah, I didn't shake it very long. It seems like it's doing what it should do. There's a little bit of stuff there. Try shaking it up and down. It's still there. Okay, so I've been shaking this for a while and shaking it, not a while, I mean probably less than a minute, and shaking it fairly hard, and that I think is not going to get out of that area right there. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. It feels pretty thick. All right, here is what it looks like. I will take a sip, but I feel like I'd rather warm it up and put some more liquid, more water, because I didn't know how high to fill it. And also it's kind of like more of a lukewarm, if you like your coffee lukewarm. So yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking, let me try filling it a little and then shaking it up some more to see if I can get rid of some of that thickness. And also I think I might just heat it in that pan right there in order to consume it, as I think it might be a little tastier that way. It does say that you can heat it up. Yeah, it says refrigerate or heat, and somewhere else I read that if you do want to refrigerate what you're going to have, it said for at least a half an hour and preferably overnight. Okay, so this container is really good. It doesn't leak. It's heavy duty, seems well constructed. The taste of it does have a bit of an aftertaste. I'm not sure what the aftertaste is. A little bit of a bitter aftertaste, as in stevia, although I didn't notice stevia on the packet. I don't know if I missed it. And, oh, it does say sucralose. I see it now. Okay. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to buy this again, to be honest with you. It does have a little bit of a grainy texture when I was tasting it just now. But since I bought these not free, what am I saying? Sample packets, I'm going to use them, but I don't think I'll be ordering again. I just don't feel like this is a product that I need, but I was curious about it without really reading all the ingredients before I purchased it. From what I recall, it just, the commercial looked so good. I was like, yeah, that sounds cool. I'm going to try that. Although I remember, I forget how much it was, but it seems like it was a little pricey. And it's just something I don't feel like I need. So there is a Keto Chow review. I'm sure they have, oh yeah, they have other products as well. They have drops for fasting. I'm not sure what else they have. I don't remember. But I don't know. I feel like they might be on the pricey side. I don't know. It's just something I don't feel at this time that I am wanting. But perhaps you will feel differently. All right. So I recently